Hello traders and welcome to tradingwithbill.com. Good to be with you on a Tuesday, April 4th. Beautiful skies here in Pattaya, Thailand. A little overcast early. I did go for my morning swim. It was quite nice. A little chilly, but it was good. It felt good. Anyhow, we're going to get moving today. Yesterday's video went really long. We did talk about a lot of stuff. So let's get moving today and let's get over to what the numbers are and what's going on data-wise. I have to tell you, the charts look horrible. I look at 8 charts that you can see on my screen, and they look horrible. There's no price action. Nothing's moving. If you look at yesterday's trade plan on the euro, it did nothing, my friends. Absolutely nothing here. What are we going to do about this? You can't trade this, my friends. Cannot do it. All right, let's get over to holidays. Hong Kong's on a holiday, and China is on a holiday today. So that pretty negates Asia for today, right? So let's get a look at what's happened here. New Zealand at 5 a.m. put NISR business confidence. Again, no prediction, so really nothing, no way for the markets to judge it. They did have trade balance today, and it did come out very well. It came out at 3.57, expecting 1.8. So that was a really good thing for trade balance out of New Zealand. The Aussie has RB interest rate decision. We expect no change at all. They're not going to do anything probably for another year or so. However, I'm pretty sure they'll have a rate statement. I just can't find it at the moment. Bank of Japan has core CPI. We have Spanish unemployment change today. The big one out of the Great British Pound is construction PMI for March. I would suspect that's not going to come in as a good number. I don't know. I could be wrong, but that just doesn't look like that's going to be a good number. Out of the Eurozone, we got retail sales month on month. Yeah, pretty active day here in data today. The Euro ECB President Draghi speaks, and that will be an hour after the New York Open. I really don't even pay attention to him anymore. He doesn't move the markets, and he just talks in circles. You know, it's like, what? So yeah, just don't get involved with the news stuff, my friends. We got some we do have the global dairy trade price index out of New Zealand coming out today. It says it's tentative, but it will pop out sometime today. And tomorrow in Asia, really nothing. Low impact news events, so nothing going on there. Let's really take a quick look at what's going on with our commodities. Gold is up 0.29% now at $1,257.65. Crude oil WTI is up 0.8% at $50.27, and Brent oil is up 0.4% at $53.14. Both of them are now above 50 as we expected. Coffee is down 0.83%, no big deal there. And natural gas is down 0.03%. Let's keep an eye on those numbers that come out, I'm pretty sure, tomorrow. All right, let's take a look at the indices real quick. Red day on Wall Street. You realize I'm only in New York 2 hours, so I see this when you see it, right? So S&P 500 is down 0.16%. NASDAQ down 0.11%. S&P 500 VIX up 0.08%. That's all the sellers like really enjoying these sell-offs, right? The Nikkei 225 is currently at 0.61%. The dollar index is currently flat at 100.35. So we're staying above the 100 level, and that's exactly what we want, and that's a good thing. And the euro index is down 0.06% at 86.79. So if you trade the euro and the dollar, if you put a screen up just with the dollar index and the euro index on one screen, it'll tell you what to do. It's like a free map. You want to long this, you want to short it, right? You know, especially if you're a scalper, you really want that in front of you. I'm usually in my trades 3 to 6 hours and I'm out, right? But I'm really biased on my bias, not necessarily the bias of anybody else, but I'm biased on my bias. So I make a decision what the pair is on a 4 hour, a daily, and then of course I analyze on a 1 hour and entry and exit on a 1 hour, sometimes a 30-minute. Love the 30-minute charts, my friend. All right, so let's take a look at the euro from yesterday. Like I said, absolutely nothing here on the euro from yesterday. Absolutely sideways, no price action. This is 24 hours and just nothing we can do there. Let's take a look at the pound. This is our trade for today. And I'm not really thrilled about it, but at least it moved something, right? It did something. Still bias bearish. I still want to just sell this. I have no intention to buy the pound. This is probably just a correction. Look at this. But gave you some sell entries here. Went sideways, came back up. Nice sell entry there. Your stop was up here. You were still in the trade. Came all the way back down to here. Comes back up. Gives you the sideways price action. Comes back down. And now it's inching its way back up again. So what are we looking for here? We're looking for 1.2579. 1.2579. And we're going to try to get a bearish candlestick formation and get in this. Now, how did I come up with that number? Well, I just took a left of the chart here. This is resistance left of the chart, right? I didn't go with this one. It's too short for me. There's not enough price movement, not enough leeway, right? So I went left of the chart. Here we are right here. Looks great. We'll get in at this blue line here at 1279. And we'll take it down. We're probably going to get a jerk here at 1240. And we're going to look to take profit at 1.2470. So, you know, this is like a 95 pip trade, 90 pip trade if it works. But we need some price action. So what I want to see is, I want to see some dollar weakness. Get this up. London comes in, maybe 2 hours into London, maybe London lunch. Dollar kicks in. New Yorkers are back at the terminals. And this thing takes it to the downside, takes our hit profit area. So I'm just waiting for my entry. Patience on this one, folks. Patience. The markets are dull. They're just not moving, folks. I mean, I just showed you those 8 currency pairs, and I'll do it again. They're just not moving. Not moving. This is not really nice price action. The euro yen actually was the winner yesterday as far as price action. The pound yen really just went down one time and went sideways. Nothing. There's just nothing going on. So, you know, be cautious on your trades. Take entries. If you're not in the market, you can't be successful. Take your losses. It's okay, but you got to be in the market. You got to be involved in the market, right? So we're looking to do that today, and I plan on being at my trade desk probably for about 12 hours today. So long day at the trade desk today, and looking good. Traders, have a great trading day, and thank you for joining me at tradingwithbill.com. I love your comments. I love your emails. It's really awesome. Keep them up, good or bad. Bring them on. All right, traders, have a great trading day, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Take care now. Bye-bye.